Hello guys, and welcome back. Today, I'll show you how to use undetectable AI to write and bypass AI detectors. Start by logging in to your undetectable AI account. You can register and have 250 free words. Navigate to the Playground tab to begin using the service. Type or copy and paste the text from any AI text generating platform like ChatGPT. After practicing or passing your test, agree to the terms of service, then click on Check for AI to assess the likelihood of your content being flagged. The platform will show you likelihood percentage of your content being flagged by specific AI detectors. In the Readability tab, tailor the readability level to your needs, more readable, balanced, or more human. Check the Terms and Condition box, then click Humanize. Wait few seconds while your output is processed and your original document will appear at the bottom. While the humanized content is displayed above, just note that the document ID at the upper left corner of the dashboard. Click Copy Output to save your humanized text. For different version, click Humanize again and keep in mind that any associated word costs. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.